Hey guys, so I ordered a box from Revive and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, but first I'm gonna do a couple tricks over it. Okay, so we're back. Alright, so let's open it. Got my knife. Okay, so first thing is, let's look at the note. Alright, so, it's just the receipt, but Andy said, Ethan and Ethan's YouTube. What's up? I hope you enjoy the gear and the unboxing video. Skate on, Andy. And then he drew a little picture. I think that's sick. Yeah. So next, I've been wanting these for a while. Makes it so much easier to put skateboards together. A silver and Revive collab skate tool. Yeah. Next, I got these, let's see, what are they called? The Sun Destroyers Defiant. OMG. Alright, enough of that. Okay, so, he hooked it up with the stickers. I got this shirt, this blue tie-dye Revive shirt. And what you've all been waiting for is the deck. Whoa, that's sick. So I got a size 8 tie-dye Revive deck. That's sick. So I guess we're just gonna go set it up now. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna be setting up this board. The reason I got a new board is because this board snapped. So I'm gonna take the trucks off here and put them on this board. So yeah, let's go.
A video camera converts the picture into a television signal.
Okay, so the grip tape I'm using is Grizzly Grip, just the die cut. Okay, so I think I did a pretty good job gripping it, and now I'm just going to put it on the trucks. And also I'm going to try out risers. These are from my first board, and I just wanted to put them on here.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. dream of you. I breathe the same that you do. Do I swim with you? Do I dream the same dreams you do? I've been thinking about. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about. I've been thinking about. I dream of you.
Alright guys, so I just finished setting this up and now I'm gonna go do the kickflip test. Alright, so first kickflip on this board. Oh! Alright, 22. So just to review what I got, Venture trucks, Guns STF wheels, Grizzly grip tape, and tie-dye Revive deck, and Reds bearings. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Peace.
These nuts.